Hi children, today we are going to see multiplication activity. Here we have one example, 3 groups of 6 each. Now we will form 3 groups here. Okay, here 3 groups we have. In each group we have 6 in each. So come, 6 children come and stand in one group. In the second group stand 6 more children. Third group 6 more children. Okay, 3 groups. In 3 groups, each group has 6 in each. So all together we will count how many were there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So here 3 times 6 we are doing here. Right. So 3 times 6 is equal to how much? 18. So it's nothing but 3 6 are, right? So in the same way, multiplication is nothing but what ma? Repeated addition of same number. Here we are doing 3 times 6. So 6 is added 3 times. That is equal to 18. Total how many groups were there? 3 groups. First group, second group and third group. In each group, how many persons were there? 6 people. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In each group, first group 6 people, second group 6 people and third group 6 people. All together how many? 18. How many? 18. 3 groups of 6 is what? 18. 3 times 6 is equal to 18.